Hey, welcome to another broadcast, coming to you live from the gym. All it takes is 15 minutes to get in the best shape of our life. So I'm almost done, and I just want to jump in here and encourage you to work out, to hit the gym, and to start making money while you go on with your life, right? Don't work for money, make money work hard for you, and start understanding the business principles, the money principles that work in all economies. I'm going to leave the link below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to make money from home and build a successful business. I'm going to put my phone down so you can see me do this little workout, and I'm going to come back on and give you another tip. But remember that knowledge is money. It's the new money. It only takes an idea backed up by confidence to make money, right? It does not take money to make money. So stay tuned, subscribe, share with the ones that you like to share this with. If you find this information valuable, hit the like button, and I appreciate you being part of the Master Investor community, coming to your life, making money while we're asleep, showing you what a capture page is, how to build your email list, right, with potential clients, and finding opportunities and products that are successful, that are being sold worldwide. So check it out. We don't need to actually even be part of the making of the product. We can grab somebody else's product and make money with that product. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in 3 steps. All right, so I'm going to put the phone down and you're going to see right now. Step push-ups. Let's finish strong. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, see you in the next video. Stay great. Bye now.